Good morning, all of you. In this semester number 5, we are going to start paper number 6, Applied Zoology. In that, today we are going to discuss on unit number 10, Animal and Crop Waste Management. Let's see first the introduction of the topic. Here one question is arises, what is a waste or how can you define the waste? Waste is an any unwanted material which is thrown away because it is no longer useful to us. So we can also call waste is an garbage. Here four main sources which produces huge amount of waste daily, and these are industrial waste, commercial waste, domestic waste and agricultural waste. From these main sources daily huge amount of waste get produces and dumped into the environment. So we can classify waste into the five types, and these are first is liquid waste. It includes dirty water, organic liquid, wash water, waste detergent. The second type of waste is solid waste. In that solid waste like plastic, paper, cards, tins, metal and glasses. Third type is a organic waste, and it include food waste, garden waste, manure and rotten meat. The fourth type of the waste is a recyclable waste, and it include paper, metal and organic waste. And fifth type is a hazardous waste, which is hazardous to the human as well as other living things, and it include toxic and corrosive substances like paint, pesticide, cleaning agents. So any kind of waste when dumped into the environment become polluted because many hazardous gases comes out from these wastes, and it can be dangerous to the human life, as well as it generate unpleasant odor which helps to the multiply bugs, mosquito, rat, and disease may be spread by them. So this type of waste is harmful to the human life as well as environment. So here proper disposal of waste is very much essential to protect environment. Here waste management process is required for the proper management or proper disposal of the waste. How can you define the waste management? The waste management is a process in which collection, transportation and final disposal of unwanted materials takes place to protect environment and health of the people, and it helps to maintain health of the environment. Various types of agricultural activities produces huge amount of animal and crop waste. It includes waste of farms like stem, stalk, leaf, seed pods like green wastes, poultry house waste like excreta, feed, feather, hatchery waste, dead embryo, wastewater, slaughterhouse waste like inedible animal tissue like integument, ligament, tendons, blood vessel, feathers and bones. All these wastes are organic waste, means these wastes are biodegradable. It can be broken by the microbes, and it may be produces, or it can be broken into the carbon dioxide, water, methane or simple organic molecule. So these wastes are biodegradable waste, or we can also call these wastes are organic waste. So it can be recycled and reused for a different purpose by proper management. So there is proper management technique is required to recycle and reuse this type of organic waste. For example, organic waste could be converted into the compost, which is useful in the agriculture purposes, as well as clean organic waste directly used to the feed animals. Like this we can recycle and reuse the organic wastes.